Hi, my name is Chirag, an engineer by education and a product builder by heart. The things that define me most are curiosity, speed, and I have a strong bias toward execution. I would rather fail at two things, executing them rather than just making assumptions sitting in a meeting room. I've spent a lot of time building with engineers, executing things, shipping products, and using AI tools effectively to move the output quickly. Uh, I want to join Vokido because it's AI first and it's voice first learning for kids is itself a very interesting problem, and it fits right at the execution of like AI technology learning. So, and I also see that Vokido is like very early stage. So I have the chance to shape an product early on before like it reaches the main target market. So yeah, I want to work on the ground level and like learn really fast from the users. So yeah, right now I think the most important priority for Vokido is like onboarding new people because there are like 50 plus downloads on Play Store, which from what I saw, and there are a lot of many people using the product. So I think the app is usable. I used it last night, and we should like as Vokido should aim at like getting new consumers, new people, new kids on board, so that they just use the product on a daily basis and get you real feedback, so that the feedback is given to developers or product managers, and then we are able to add the new features, make some changes, do the iterations, and close the loop fast. So yeah, initial goal should be like to reach a wider audience, and then use their feedback to improve the product rather than just aiming on the product perfection right now. And yeah, so I think I'm a good fit for this because I'm not just a product, I'm actually a great fit. So I'm not just a product thinker, I'm a developer myself, and I know how to use the AI tools properly. I know how to use Cloud, GPT, all the stuff. I know the back end of the system, so I can like work pretty closely with the engineer. Sorry for the noise. uh, yeah, I know the scopes and the trade-offs of like while implementation of any product or feature. So yeah, that makes me useful in a very fast-moving team, especially where the feedback loop is shorter, and since Vokido is a fairly young startup, so I think the feedback loop should be quite faster, and we should be able to iterate faster and like make shipping quick. I will bring great product sense because I like to put myself into the shoes of the user. I like to talk to a lot of users. In my present startup, also, I talk to a lot of users, get their real feedback, close the loop early, and like whatever it is, it might be good, it might be not great. So whatever it is, I like to close the loop fast between feedback and an implementation on the app level. So yeah, that's it about me.